Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to new video. Friend Notion here. In today's video we have another scrap CNC mechanism, CNC server. This is the actually inside computer, inside one of CNC machine, and if you see, it's just one very big box with a power supply and with a ton of the cards here. Look at that. Yeah. So on this side it have some very nice big cooler, a lot of cables. So for now we're gonna scrap this. In the last video I had a lot of good stuff in the last server. It will be a long video, sorry about that, but we will little chit chat and it's not a problem. You can skip some boring parts, definitely. So for today, let's start to remove this little boards and see what we can get from this one. From the last one I had missing some parts, couple of boards, but for this one is a whole and it's not missing anything. Come on, so hard to remove sometimes. These screws. Okay, so we're gonna remove first one. Let's see. Oh, so beautiful. So beautiful. So let's see. For a beginning, we have on the downside we have a lot of some small MLCCs and some resistors. And here we got gold-plated pins, similar like the last one, but when I turn, ta-da, look at that, look at this side. This is just a little amazing board. Look at that. So we have this socket here with the gold-plated pins, here more four, one small one. We got aluminum front, some LED lights, and a couple here, connector with the gold plating. And look at that, some small board. Let's remove that. Okay, here we got one small board, some MLCCs, two side leg ICs, same on other side, some pins there, and tantalum capacitor, SMT, but here, look at that stuff. This is just a very nice board. We have some, this is just copper, some pins there also, a lot of these pins here. We got one BGA chip here, small four side leg ICs, two side leg ICs, a lot of black SMT tantalum and yellow SMT tantalum, and the best stuff here, more one BGA here. We got ceramic processor. This is a ceramic. Let's first remove this little board. Okay, some small board, pins and ICs, but this board, it's covered. This processor, this is ceramic processor. Yeah, some heatsink on the top. And look at that. Very nice ceramic, nice gold plating, nice lead here. Very cool. So we're gonna leave that right here. And here we got more one. Look at that. This small soldered ceramic. This is a Toshiba, look at that. This is ceramic, and he got a gold plated cap, very nice gold plating. And inside we have some ceramic. It's similar like a BGA. There is no pins inside, only thin ball, but here we have some gold bonding wire inside, ceramic base, gold bonding wire, and nice lead here. Definitely it's a cool. Okay, I need to heat that to remove that, definitely, but is ceramic. Yeah, nice gold plating, definitely. So we got here also gold plated pins in the socket. So very nice board, very nice ceramic IT, beautiful. Yeah. Okay, so let's go further to the second board. For now I am pretty satisfied with the first board, and this name of this device is a deep. Look at that, deep manufacturing. So this is a unit for a CNC machine. I always love to work with this stuff because why? Because you always know that you can find some good board with a good ceramic and with a good IT, with a ton of ITs inside. Okay, this is a double board. Yeah, no, this is, you see, this is the one board and got aluminum back plane wall. So this is just like a hard drive and floppy device part. Yeah, so let's remove this. It's much easier with the vise. Just cut that, not just unscrew all that stuff. Okay, so for the first, what we have here on this aluminum back, we have some cable, ribbon cable with some gold plated pins. We got other ribbon cable with gold plated pins here, and we got, this is a hard drive, classic hard drive, and this is a classic floppy device. You see, so it's just similar like an old computer, hard drive and a floppy device. Yeah, not bad. And this board, on down part, we got a lot of two-side leg ITs, a lot of MLCTs, and some resistors. So what we have here, yeah, okay, some gold plated pins in this connector. We got this little switch there with a very nice, always contain very nice thick gold plating inside. Some transistor here, yeah, probably maybe some gold inside, we'll see. A lot of small two-side leg ITs and four-side leg ITs, a lot of that. We got S&D tantalum, this stuff is just worthless for silver. Also this crystal, three-side leg transistor, plastic one right over there. And we got some capacitor, yellow capacitor right over there, some black S&D tantalum, and yeah, so this nice board, very nice board, connectors and chip mostly, very good board, I will tell. Okay, let's go, show must go on. So guys, I hope you are well. I hope you're healthy. I will take this opportunity to say hello for all my subscribers around the world. Okay, so let's start. Something just fell off. Oh yeah, plastic. So the down part, nothing from that board, but this side we got two. This is the ram stick, but it's just a thin ram stick, but nice ICs. Nice ICs, two of them. And here we got more, look at that, more this little transistor in the bucket. Here we got also connector with the gold plating. Here we got also yellow SMT tantalum, some crystal, two of them, two side leg ICs. This green one is just waste, this yellow one is just waste, there's nothing there. Like you see in my old videos, more one crystal here. Let's see, the four side leg ICs always good gold inside. Two ceramic one, let's see for gold. No, this one is just waste, but this one had silver palladium blades inside, you see, braids. So this one we will keep, this one we will throw in the garbage. And yeah, very nice IT socket board, also gold plated pins in the connector. Not bad. So the next couple of boards look like similar to me. We will see in the last server I have 4 processor. For now here we have only one. Let's see, it's a little different board. Two side leg ICs, MLCCs, resistors, gold plated pins, some very chunky MLCCs here, look at that. So, SMD tantalum, a lot of three side leg plastic transistor, ICs, two side leg ICs, some switch with the gold plating inside. Here we got some socket for these one yellow resistors also, and this one is just waste, but this small one is a old school MLCCs, and this is a good one. A lot of small ICs, four side leg big ICs, so very quality board. I would think it's very quality board for gold recovery. A lot of ICs and the pins. Okay, so let's go further. I saw that a lot of channel on the internet is just slow down with make some videos. Why? Because probably people cannot find easy electronic waste. I know how it's hard for me to find here some good electronic waste, but yeah, it's fine. So this is the sometimes I find something good. This is just the same like the last one, ICs, MLCCs, resistors, also the same type of connectors. Four side leg, very chunky ICs, very good one for a gold recovery. Also big one, MLCCs, transistors. It's basically similar board like the last one. Like I said, probably we will have some similar board in this type of device. You just can see by the mark here that this board is the same. Okay, so let's see, nothing down there, connectors, but it's not the same like the last one. ICs, two side leg, ICs, two side leg, four side leg, some switch with the gold plated pins, some tantalum, yellow old school tantalum, a lot of this stuff. Sometimes contain gold bonding wires inside, sometimes not. And we got some very cool jumpers here with the nice gold plated pins inside. You see all this like this here. And what we have here also, it's a fuse, ceramic fuse. Look at that. Yeah, it's not bad. Not too much, but it's not bad at all. Okay, I think that this one is the same. Probably some of you will tell why I'm not take only the board, not just full this device, because for me it's basically the same. I pay the board $2.50 per kilogram, but all device I pay $1 per kilogram, so it's basically the same stuff for me. Only this stuff I can sell and return some of my money. It's the same board like this, only the different color. Look at that. Yeah, it's the same board but different color of the fiber. The same fuse, MLCCs, the same ICs, the same, everything the same. Yeah. Okay, so no more board inside. We got a lot of this plastic. And for me, this is just waste plastic. We get some aluminum more here on this two part. So what we have inside, we have a two of backplane board with the gold plated pins here, and also on this black socket here we got also gold plated pins. Not too much gold, but it's okay. So let's see how we can get to take this power supply here. So basically I see here that this backplane board has very nice gold on the other side. So let's try to open this little fellow. Yeah, right over there. When you work with this stuff, it's always very dusty, got a lot of dust. So beware to not inhale something of this. Okay, for the first nice chunk of aluminum, some very chunky cable, and here one small board with some free black capacitor, nothing too much. And this supply, let's open this. Okay, nice chunk of aluminum. And let's see what we have here. Very nice power supply. So first what I see, nice copper spool there, some small cables, some transformator, very big spools here also inside. So classic power supply, a lot of 3-side lag transistor. I put that with my ITs, and we have one relay with the gold plated contact right over there. Basically classic, just a little better power supply, but lot of copper there. Very nice. So this is the back plane. This is the stuff for a cooler. I will remove that and probably I will sell a cooler. And look at that. Look, all these pins here. Very nice one. On this part of the back plane, you see? Very back plane board. Very nice one. Very cool. Here we got also some stuff, some MLCCs, small one. Look at that. This is just junk, nothing there too much. So okay, it's not bad, not the best. I think that the last one has much better stuff for me, but I am satisfied, definitely. So this box, after I remove this cooler and this backplane boards, this box go in the junk. I'm not save that anymore for some project, so go in the waste aluminum. Okay guys, so on the end of this video, little resume for the boards. Like I said, hard drive, floppy drive, hard drive, some very nice ceramic CPU with a gold cap, a lot of small ICs, big ICs, very nice copper in the power supply, and more here BGA and ceramic small one BGA. So I think that it's good, very good device. In the last video, this one is been much better, but this one is cool also. Yeah, very nice. Okay guys, so this is enough for this video. In the last video we will continue in the same form. I will scrap some other cool stuff, and on the end probably I will process all that for gold, because I need to return some money which I invest in that. Okay, until that, say scrap, make gold, have fun. Friend Dusan out. Cheers.